Hello there! Kanban Board Pro by Virto is an agile tool helping to manage complex tasks by splitting them into subtasks. In this video, I'll show you how to use this feature. Let's dive in. Firstly, make sure the Subtask feature is active. Click the board settings icon in the top left corner and switch to the Advanced Setup tab. Scroll down and tick the Enable Subtask/Checklist checkbox. If you also enable the Allow Multi-Level option, you will be able to create subtasks for subtasks. Save the changes and return to the board. On a Kanban board, subtasks are characterized by a gray header containing the name of the parent task. If a task has subtasks, this will be indicated by the counter at the bottom left of the card. For example, here we see that this task has 5 subtasks, 2 of which have been completed. Click on the counter to see the details. Here you can find the list of subtasks, their statuses, and the users they are assigned to. Add more subtasks by clicking the Add New Subtask button or by typing an existing task's name or ID into the Add Existing Task text entry field. The new subtask will appear in the list. Add a status, start date, and assignee if needed. Remember to save the changes. When you don't need to display the subtasks on the board, click the Hide Subtasks icon in the top right corner. And click the icon again to show the subtasks. And one more special feature. If you click the Show Subtasks View icon in the top right corner, you will see all subtasks grouped into Swimlanes by their parent tasks. I'm sure you'll enjoy this feature, especially when working with complex tasks. Thanks for watching, and be on the lookout for our new videos.